Let's learn about Vipassana meditation, a powerful technique that was rediscovered by the Lord Buddha. It has been passed down through generations, and will be following the teachings of the late Mr. S. N. Goenka. Step 1. Anapana Sati meditation. Let's start with Anapana Sati meditation. This helps us sharpen our mental focus. Simply observe your breath as it goes in and out of your nostrils. Feel the air touching the tip of your nose. Just pay attention to your breath, and if your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Step 2. Observing bodily sensations. Now that our focus is sharp, we'll start observing the sensations in our body. These sensations can be pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. They are connected to our thoughts of craving and aversion. When we notice these sensations, we become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. Step 3. Developing equanimity. This means staying calm and not reacting to our thoughts of craving or aversion. When we feel a sensation, we simply observe it without getting attached or pushing it away. This helps us become more balanced and peaceful. Step 4. Gratitude meditation. Let's spend 5 minutes on gratitude meditation. Close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for in your life. They can be big or small, but focus on the feelings of gratitude and happiness these things bring you.